Hey everyone, this is Mark over at Worthington Direct, your go-to source for all of your corporate and education furniture needs, wants, and must-haves. Alright, today we're going to look at a stool that's not only designed to last, but keep your employees and students comfortable. Today we're going to look at the Hierarchy Grow Stool by Mooreco. Whether it's for your classroom, daycare, or employee common area, the Hierarchy Grow Stool by Mooreco is an excellent addition to keep your students and employees comfortable. Well, that's going to do it for today. If you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe to our channel for more information on upcoming products. If you like the Hierarchy Grow Stool, please click on the link in the description below to learn more. As always, stay tuned for more videos. I'm Mark Tianco. We'll see you next time.